look at
that. Okay, so there's some roots. That's pretty cool. That means that we've got some rooting going on. This treatment works. Yeah, so isn't that cool, you guys? Look at those. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Sunday to you, and it's day 139 of the Quarantine Gardeners.
And if you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners, and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing projects around our garden while under quarantine.
And we're so thankful you're here today on Science Sunday. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on all our daily videos.
So guys, today we're doing our update as part of Science Sunday. We're doing our update on our Salvia cuttings, our hot lips cuttings. It's pretty cool. We're gonna show you which ones rooted, which ones didn't.
It's kind of like a root cutting unboxing, if that makes sense. This is from our video on day 111 where we propagated Salvia, like Sean said. It's one of our most favorite plants in our yard, and we cannot wait to see what happened.
And if you remember or you watched that episode, both Allison and I had our own predictions on which cuttings were gonna root the best.
Okay, you guys, here we are. These are all the cuttings that we took about, what, 4 weeks ago. And you can see we've divided them up into different types of containers because we use 3 different treatments on them. So right here in the round containers, all of these guys have been treated with rooting hormone and potting soil, of course. This middle container, these are just potting soil, and then of course water.
So guys, if you recall from episode 111, both Allison and I made our own predictions on which treatment would root the best. So honey, what was your prediction?
Okay, let's see. I predicted that 3 out of the 4 cuttings in the water treatment would root in 4 weeks, which is today. And then next up would be rooting hormone treatment would be kind of like the second best, and then followed by potting soil. What about you, honey?
I predicted that the rooting hormone treatment would root the best, followed by the water treatment, and then lastly, the untreated cuttings in the potting soil.
Okay, so you guys, we have not looked at these yet. Well, I'm not gonna lie, we have looked at the water because obviously you can see them, and there might be a couple cool things going on in there. Which one should we do first?
Let's do the water ones first.
Okay, you guys, you see any roots in there? I see a couple.
Okay, so first up, water treatment. Here we go, pulling them out. Whoa, okay, first one out. Look at that. Some nice roots there.
Nice.
About 3 inches maybe a little bit more. Yep.
Wow,
really
those
good.
are nice and healthy.
Yep, so we're 1 for 1 so far. Okay, next up. Oh, gotta get it out of there. Looks like we got some more roots. All right.
Hey, nice.
Look at that. Isn't that great? All right. That's probably about 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches maybe. Nice. Okay, so 2 for 2. Third cutting up.
Oh,
doesn't look like.
There goes my prediction.
Doesn't look like anything, but we'll keep it in the water and we'll see if it keeps, we'll give it a chance to keep rooting.
Yeah, good idea.
So we're 2 for 3. Here's our 4th. Okay, well, there might be something down at the bottom there maybe, but it's just starting, so. But right now it doesn't have any literal length of root on it. So we're gonna call this one no roots. So really cuttings rooting in the water treatment is 2 for 4. So 50%.
50% success, that's not too bad.
Yeah, so we're gonna put these back in here because we don't want them to go without their water. So let's go with the treated ones.
Yeah, I'm excited to see these.
Okay guys, here we go.
I'm
Number
nervous.
1. Number 1. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow, look at
that. Okay, so there's some roots. That's pretty cool. That means that we've got some rooting going on. This treatment works. Yeah, so isn't that cool, you guys? Look at those.
Those are healthy.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna put this back in here. So there's 1 for 1. That's cool. Put that over there. Okay, next up.
Okay.
There we go. Now. Okay, oh, well. Not any roots on this one yet. We can take a gander and see if we can find a little bit more. Just gently pull this off. Wow, okay, well, that whole piece came, that's cool. All right, so we'll just keep trying to do this. Okay, well, there's the whole stem. And it looks like, unfortunately, there's no roots, but you can see the white right there, that white color on the stem, that's more than likely the rooting hormone. So there's still some on there, so that's a good sign. so we could still see some actual rooting happen on this cutting.
Cool. I hope so.
So we're gonna stick this back in here and we'll rebury it. And we'll hope we get some roots. Okay, so 1 for 2. Next up, ooh.
Oh, wow.
Now look at all that.
Look at all that.
No need to tear any of this soil off of here. That looks great. Look at all those roots. Okay.
That looks awesome.
Been pretty good, you guys. Okay, so that works.
Rooting hormone's pretty good so far. I'm liking the results here.
So 2 for 3. Let's go for number 4. Oops. Okay. Well, look, there's some.
Oh, there's one.
Roots. Yeah, there's some roots right there. So that's pretty cool, right? Okay. So no need to tear this one apart. We'll put this one back in here.
I gotta be super careful with those roots. Nice. So 3 out of 4.
3 out of 4. Not too bad.
75%. That's not bad.
Yeah. Okay. All right, guys. So to recap, water was 2 out of 4. Rooting hormone treatment in soil was 3 out of 4. So here's the no rooting hormone treatment on these cuttings in the soil. So here we go. First one. Whoa.
Wow, look
Right.
at that.
Look at that, you guys. All right, so we got rooting. Looks pretty nice. They're nice and white. They're really healthy. So looking good, you guys. We're 1 for 1.
That's awesome. I wasn't sure what to expect with no rooting hormone. Okay.
Go, guys. Okay, well, no visible roots yet. So let's see if we can tease this out a little bit. Oh, well. Oh, hey.
Oh,
whoa.
hey,
There you go. There's roots right there. Here, let me, since we've already exposed this part, let's just do this. There we go.
Oh, wow, that looks good.
Look at all that. I'll be darned. Yep. So nice root right there. There's another one, looks like right there maybe. And looking good. Yeah, some nodules coming off there. Yep, this is a whole new plant.
Awesome.
So now we're 2 for 2 in the non-treatment. Okay, here's number 3. No root hormone. Whoa, look at that.
Wow.
Lots of roots. Lots of roots there.
It's really
Nice.
good.
So again, another new plant. Nice white healthy roots right there. So 3 for 3 so far. Here's the 4th one. Let's see what we got.
Oh, what's going on in there?
Not seeing anything. Let's nicely pull this apart here. See what we got. Huh. Oh, well, there we go. Well,
Oh.
it wasn't anchored down to anything. Doesn't look like anything there.
Oops.
It's just all soil particles. Yep. So no roots on this one yet.
Oh.
So guys, to recap the results, 50% rooting in the water, 75% rooting in potting soil cuttings with root hormone, and then 75% success of rooting in the pots without any hormone. So pretty cool.
That's awesome. We got 8 out of 12 cuttings that rooted already, and we're gonna see if we can get the rest of these to root as well. Okay, you guys, that was super exciting to reveal those for you and for us because we have a lot of new plants to plant.
So if you guys are doing this experiment in your yard, tell us down below in the comments section what your results were, what plants you propagated, and what the treatments you used were. Also, let us know any questions or comments you have about this video down below too. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to this channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And that's a wrap for this week's Science Sunday. We'll be back tomorrow on Monday with a mulching tip for you, so come on back to see what we're up to. Have a great day ahead, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.